Hi everyone, welcome back to Quantify Your Career. And today, let's talk about the most important programming and scripting languages which are used in quantitative finance. So Python is definitely the most widely used language in quantitative finance today. It is great for quant research, algo trading, risk management, because it has a large ecosystem of libraries like Pandas, NumPy, SciPy, and even TensorFlow. It is easy to learn and great for backtesting strategies, for example. The downside is Python is slower than C++. So if you want to do ultra low latency trading, Python might not be the right choice. The other important language is R. That is the best choice for statistical modeling, risk analysis, and financial data visualization. It is commonly used in academia and regulatory finance. Now the drawback of R is that it is slower than Python and C++. So again, it makes it less suitable for real-time trading. I used mainly Python and R in my MFE program. The other super important language is C++. So C++ is essential for high-frequency trading and derivatives pricing. It offers ultra-low latency, high-speed execution, and even memory efficiency, and usually popularly used in hedge funds and proprietary trading firms. They use C++ for its speed. However, it has a steep learning curve and it is more time consuming to develop compared to Python. I had a subject called computational finance in my MFE program where we were given a choice to use C++ or Python or any other language we want, but the preference was C++. So it is really useful in trading. One more language which is commonly used is Java, which might be used in large banks and financial institutions for risk management and trading infrastructure. It is stable, secure, and scalable, making it ideal for enterprise applications. But it's not very flexible for data science, and it's more verbose than Python. Now, Julia is gaining a lot of popularity in quant research. It is faster than Python and easier to use than C++, making it a strong choice for Monte Carlo simulations and numerical computing. But it has a smaller community and fewer libraries right now, which limits its adoption. By the way, I've also provided books and courses in this comparison table, and you can download this image from the link in the description below. The other two languages I want to talk about are MATLAB and KDB Plus or Q. So MATLAB is used mostly in academia and financial research for derivatives pricing and optimization, even some fixed income analytics. It's good because it offers numerical computing capabilities, but it is less common in hedge funds due to expensive licensing. Now there's also a way to call MATLAB programs directly from your Python script. I've also posted a link below which MATLAB had shared on LinkedIn. And lastly, KDB Plus or Q is widely used in high-frequency trading firms and even large banks for tick data storage and real-time analytics. The downside is it has an expensive license. But this is optimized for time series data. It does have a steep learning curve. But the advantage is that it is a niche skill set. And since it is widely used in banking and trading firms, you will get an advantage if you learn this. So which language should you learn? If you're just starting out, Python will be the best choice. If you want to work primarily in high frequency trading, C++ is essential. For risk management in banks, Java might be a strong option along with Python. And so each language has its strengths. So choose the one which aligns with your quant finance goals. Until next time.